Hi students, how have you been? I hope you all are good. Welcome to the world of AI ethics. We can define ethics as a system of moral principles that govern individuals' behavior or actions. Ethics are concerned with what is good for individuals and societies. Similarly, ethical concerns are the issues, situations, or concerns that cause individuals, societies, and or organizations to evaluate different choices in terms of what is right, that is ethical, and what is wrong, unethical. In this chapter, we will look at the implications of developing and using this technology. AI ethics. Ethics is a branch of philosophy that involves systemizing, defending, and recommending concepts of right and wrong behavior. It has a subfield, ethics of technology, which tries to answer if it is always, never, or contextually right or wrong to invent and implement a technical innovation. For example, computer viruses, nuclear weapons, environmental stability. The term AI ethics is a blanket term that is used to deal with all the ethical concerns and issues related to AI systems. AI ethics are normally divided into two categories. First one, concerns related to data, that is bias and inclusions. Second one, concerns related to implications of the AI technology itself. Okay. Then first one, ethical concerns of AI related to data, that is bias and inclusions concerns. AI is already being used to make everyday decisions that have serious implications on the lives of people. Companies are using AI systems to make recruitment, promotion, and termination decisions and evaluate loan applications. These uses of AI systems are raising serious ethical concerns around the world. We already know that data is one of the three core domains of AI. AI systems have potential of analyzing large amount of data and learning from this data, something which human beings are incapable of doing. Bias in real world data. Gender bias. The problem here is that AI system learns from the real world data fed into it. This means that AI systems can reinforce the biases found in AI systems. For example, a computer system trained on the data for last 200 years might find that more females were involved in certain jobs or that more percentage of successful businesses were established by men and conclude that specific genders are better equipped for handling certain jobs. That is known as gender bias. Understanding or even detecting such biases is not easy because many AI systems act as black boxes. The reason behind their decision making is not easy or in some cases even possible to understand. Okay. Next one, problem of inclusion. AI systems trained on biased real world data create problem of inclusion. That is, the problem that some people are left out of AI decision making system. Consider the example of AI system used by Amazon for recruitment. This created a situation in which many eligible females were left out of considerations. That is known as the problem of inclusion. Gender bias. Next one, problem of facts and their interpretation. The root cause of the bias in AI systems come from the problem between facts and interpretation of facts. AI systems can scan data and draw learnings from them, but AI systems are not equipped to understand the reason behind particular conclusion or learning. Microsoft developed and launched an experimental Twitter chatbot known as Tai. Tai was designed to experiment with conversational understanding. While launching Tai, Microsoft claimed that the more you chat with Tai, the smarter it will get, learning to engage people through casual and playful conversations. There was no programming error or hacking for the consequences. The problem was that Tai did exactly what it was designed to do. It started mimicking the users who were talking to it. It learned from what was being fed to it without interpreting the inputs. Okay? Okay, students. I hope it's clear to you. You have to read the textbook and study very well. The rest of the portions we will discuss in the next class. Till then, take care. Thank you.